landscape for making money with AI has shifted in 2026 from AI as a novelty to AI as a high-speed utility. In the USA, the most successful beginners aren't just using AI to generate content, they are using it to solve specific business problems. Here's your beginner's roadmap to earning with AI in 2026. Top 3 beginner side hustles 2026. 1. Short-form video clipper. With the 2026 digital landscape dominated by vertical video, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, businesses are desperate to repurpose long-form content. The workflow. Take a client's 1-hour podcast or webinar and run it through AI tools like Opus Clip or Munch. The AI automatically finds viral moments, adds captions, and crops the frame. Income potential, 50-150 per package of 10 clips. USA market tip. Target local service businesses, real estate agents, lawyers, who have video content but no time to edit. 2. AI chatbot setup for small businesses. Businesses no longer want basic if-then bots. They want intelligent agents that know their specific data. The workflow. Use no-code platforms like ManyChat or Chatbase to build a bot that reads a company's website and answers customer FAQs 24/7. Income potential. 500-2,000 per setup plus a monthly maintenance fee. Beginner edge. You don't need to code. You just need to be good at feeding the AI the right company documents. 3. AI-assisted faceless niche channels. You can run a YouTube or TikTok channel without ever showing your face or recording your voice. The workflow. Asterisk script, ChatGPT or Claude. Voiceover. 11 Labs for hyper-realistic US accents. Visuals. InVideo AI or Canva Magic Media. Income potential. Ad revenue plus affiliate marketing. Linking products in the description. The 2026 Starter Pack Toolset. Most of these offer free tiers to get you started. Category. Recommended Tool 2026. Best for writing. Gemini 3 Flash. Fast research drafts and SEO content. Visuals. Midjourney V7/DALL-E 3. Professional thumbnails and branding. Audio. 11 Labs. Studio quality voiceovers for ads/books. Productivity. Notion AI. Organizing client workflows and projects. 3 golden rules for 2026. 1. Don't sell AI work, sell results. Don't tell a client I'll write an AI blog post. Tell them I will provide 4 SEO-optimized articles that drive traffic. 2. The human in the loop factor. AI in 2026 still hallucinates, makes things up. Your value is in fact-checking and adding a human voice/tone that AI lacks. 3. Use US-specific platforms. Start on Upwork or Fiverr, but focus on the AI services category, which has seen a 400% growth in demand this year. Your first step? Pick one workflow today. For example, try taking a popular YouTube video, with permission or for practice. Use an AI clipper to make 3 shorts and post them to a portfolio. Would you like me to walk you through how to set up a specific profile on Upwork to attract AI-related gigs?